Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Mazda 2 Sport Nav. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a 3 owner vehicle, having covered just over 13,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the metallic machine grey and looks in great condition if there's your mileage of the car. Having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. Seats there in really nice condition. There's two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And rear passengers also have pockets in the back of the front seats and some extra storage there in the centre. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your time inflator kit there at the back, as well as some extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.